In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show the project browser in Revit. If you've ever opened a project and couldn't find the project browser, you know how disorienting that can feel. The project browser is the navigation hub that lists your views, schedules, sheets, and families. It's essentially the table of contents for your model, and without it, moving around your project becomes much slower. The good news is that turning it back on is quick and easy, and it's done entirely through Revit's user interface settings. First, we want to confirm that the project browser is turned on. To do that, head to the View tab at the top of the Revit window. This is the tab that controls how your workspace looks and which interface elements are visible. Within the View tab, look for the User Interface option. It's a menu that lets you show or hide panels and palettes. Open the User Interface menu and check for Project Browser in the list. Make sure the Project Browser item is checked. When the box is checked, the Project Browser is enabled. If it's unchecked, that's why you're not seeing it. Clicking to ensure it's checked will make the Project Browser visible again. Once it's turned on, the project browser typically appears on the left side of your screen. You'll recognize it by its tree structure containing views, sheets, schedules, quantities, legends, and families. That's your confirmation that it's active. If it was previously visible in a different spot, Revit often remembers its last position, so it may reappear exactly where you had it before. This setting is safe to toggle on and off. It doesn't alter your model or delete anything. It only controls whether the panel is visible. Checking it simply brings the navigation tree back into view so you can jump between floor plans, sections, 3D views, and documentation with confidence. A quick recap, go to the View tab, open User Interface, and make sure Project Browser is checked. That's all there is to it. If it's checked, you've confirmed it's turned on, and you can carry on working with your project fully visible and organized. Taking a moment to verify this setting can save you a lot of time. With the project browser visible, you'll navigate your project more efficiently, keep your documentation consistent, and reduce the friction of switching between tasks. Thanks for watching, and now you know exactly how to make the project browser show up when you need it.